was a great time at the nature area. There's nobody here. That's sad. But they'll come back after their vacation. True. That all this food gives me a stomach ache. I have to use the bathroom. I know. I heard that. But unfortunately, the bathroom is still closed for fixing. Oh yeah, they're still fixing. I remember that I had diarrhea with Dee and Dixie, with their boyfriends Dot and Dart. You're right. When you had diarrhea in the bushes. Wait, speaking of bushes, maybe I can use the bathroom in the bushes since they're still on vacation. Good idea, but we have to follow the rules and pick up something that you used it. You're right. Good thing I have plastic gloves. Let's go. All right, Dip. Should I start while I look? Sure, Doe. Go ahead. Now I gotta poop right now while you're looking at my face. None of it felt good. And Dip, since I have more left, you can massage my stomach if you like. Okay. Oh, no. It's all right, though. I already seen it when I take a look on your face. Oh my gosh. Thanks, Dip. It's all out now. Now can you wipe me clean with toilet paper? Sure, Doe. Wow, Doe! You look so sweet when you took a dump. You made me feel hotter when I saw you with my reactive body. Thanks, Dip. You love me doing that, don't you? Looks like I'm harder now when I do nature calls. Now we better pick up this something that I used it in the bush. Good thing I got my plastic gloves in this plastic bag. Let's put this. Oh, you stinker. All right, Doe. Have you stunk up the bush that you used it? Yes, I did stunk up the bush while I'm pooping. Now let me fill up your back. And while we're in the bush, let's go back in the bush. Good idea, right there in the corner, beside the tree. Oh, it feels so good when you touch my back. Keep going. I can put some cream on your back. Does it feel good? Yeah, it does. Let's go to our couple houses, the things we always do. Yes, Dip, will do.